So, and here's my plan for the SEO plugin. So I am right now in ChatGPT, as you can see, and here is my prompt. So my prompt is, please create a custom WordPress SEO plugin that monitors the on-page SEO of a WordPress website where the plugin is installed. The plugin should have its own plugin backend that displays various on-page metrics. The plugin should automatically scan the website for the following metrics and data: title tags and meta description. If a page is missing the title tag or meta description, check each existing page for missing image alt descriptions. Heading structure of each existing page, how many H1, H2, H3, H4, etc. Is an XML sitemap available? Is a robots.txt file available? Did the website have a fav icon? Which language tag is set? Which language set is tagged? So this is very important, and this is what many pages or many websites did wrong. So is an HTTPS version available? The plugin should identify each page and show them structured on the plugin dashboard. I can click on a specific page to expand the on-page SEO information. Please also include a refresh button, which can be clicked and the plugin will rescan, recheck the specific page. Please provide the structure of this WordPress plugin and print out all the necessary files for it. So yeah, this is the prompt. Then let's send the prompt. So, and let's see what ChatGPT will give us. To create a custom WordPress SEO plugin that monitors the on-page SEO of a WordPress website, will structure the plugin into several key components. Here's a breakdown of the structure and the files needed. So here you can see the plugin structure. So we have here the main folder, WP SEO monitor. Then we have in this file, in the main directory, we have the WP SEO monitor PHP file. Then we have a subfolder, an admin folder. There is another PHP, and here is a folder. Here's our CSS folder. Here's another includes folder that has some PHP files. As you can see here, you can see SEO scan functionality, Ajax functionalities, helper functions, and then we have our JavaScript assets. In the assets folder, we have a JavaScript folder. You can see a JavaScript for refreshing the scan. And yeah, so here we have all our, or ChatGPT now create all the files. And yeah, so then I think we have to create the files now and see if this plugin works, if the functionalities are working. And yeah, I expect the first version of the plugin maybe have some hiccups or didn't work, but yeah, we have to create these files. And to create these files, it is relatively simple. So first of all, we have to create a new folder. Here you can see we have to create the main folder. So let's copy the folder name. Let's hope you can see my desktop. I think you can see it. And let's create on my desktop a new folder. And let's rename this folder WP SEO monitor. So then let's open the folder. And inside this folder, we have an admin folder. I don't need to copy this admin. We have the admin folder, and then inside the admin folder we have a CSS folder. Let's open the admin folder, new folder, CSS. So, and this is very important that you yeah, create this structure, or the structure that is given you here. Then let's go back, and now we need includes. New folder, includes, yeah, I think it's correct. And then we have assets, our new folder, assets, and inside the asset folder we have the JavaScript folder, the JS folder. So new folder, then we call this JS. Then we go back and yeah, so perfect. Now we have the folder structure. Then I think we should start with the, step 1 with the WP SEO monitor PHP file. So to do this, we have to create a new text, or we have to open a new text document. And here it is. No, or it doesn't matter, new document. So then here's our new document. So, and then we have to copy everything here. So we simply have to click on copy and paste. Then we have to save this, copy the file name, click here. And now we have to go to the desktop. And here's the folder. Oh, and now we have to replace this with the right name and the PHP extension. So then save. Now it's saved. Then we can open a new one. We can close this. Move this here. The next one is this PHP file, and here you can see it's in the folder admin. So we copy this again, paste it in here, and let me copy this, then save, and then we put it in the admin folder. Save, make a new document. The next one is in the includes folder. So let me copy this, paste it in here. Then we copy again the file name. Hit save, and this is in includes. Paste it in here, save. Let's create a new document. So then let's go to the next one. The next one is again in the includes folder, class WP SEO monitor Ajax function. Then we copy this Ajax function, paste it in here. Copy the complete file name, save it in the includes folder. Save, create a document, close this. And now we have our CSS file. So for the styling of our plugin, if you want, of course, you can modify this. Here you can see border padding. Let me paste this real quick in here. So yeah, there's not much in here. You can see the background color. You can change the background color. Yeah, that's almost it. So then let's copy this. Copy, and this is in admin CSS folder. Paste it in here and save. And yeah, we want to use CSS. Did we another one? I think this is the last file. Paste it in here. JavaScript. So then save this in assets. In assets. JavaScript. Save. Okay. One more. Oh, no, what's that? For security, you want to add nuance verification and localization in your. Okay, this yeah, we can do later. This is for this version is not that important, so we can close this. And yeah, so I think now we have everything. So let me check this real quick. Yeah, well, we have everything. perfect. Then we can close this, and now all we have to do is right click this, and then we have to compress the folder. We have to make a zip file. So now we have here our zip file, our plugin zip file, WP SEO monitor, and now we go to our WordPress website. This is our WordPress website. So this is a test website. Then we go to plugins, add new plugins, upload a plugin, choose file, desktop, well, there it is, open, install now. So now let's see if this plugin works. So then we activate this plugin. And here you can see already we have a new element here on the sidebar on the left side, SEO monitor. So let's click here. Now you can see we have an error here. What this error is all about? Okay, so there's something wrong in the scan function. If you encounter any kind of error, so let's simply give ChatGPT the error, and let's see what ChatGPT will tell us here. So then we paste the error code in here, and the error you are encountering caused by title is not valid. Okay, so this file okay, then we have to make this file new. So then of course we have to delete the old, move to bin, the old plugin file, zip file. Where is this? Where's the stored class? WP SEO monitor scan. Okay, here's the file. Then let's open the file. Yeah, with text editor. What are the changes? Okay, let's simply copy this and paste the new file in here, or the new content in there. Then we can close this. Yeah, we can close this. Let me delete the file or the plugin. Here it is. Deactivate and delete. Yes, we want to delete this. Let me refresh this page. So then let's compress this again. WP, here it is. And then let's add the new plugin, upload it again, choose file, open, install now. Activate. Okay, here it is. Yeah, looking good. Okay, yeah, perfect. So here you can see now all the pages we have on this specific WordPress website. So if you have a larger WordPress website or a WooCommerce store, then yeah, of course you have more pages, and the plugin will automatically scan all the pages that are currently on your website, on your e-commerce store, and list them here. And here you can see all the errors I have on the page. So for example, About Us page has a title tag but has no image description. Image alt tags are all set. So you can see we have all the images have an alt tag. Then the heading structure. So the heading structure looks good. We have one H1, we have 3 H2s and 2 H3s. Yeah, we have no sitemap. this is really bad. So we have to add a sitemap, and also we have no robots.txt file. This is bad. We have no fav icon on this website. So, and yeah, then you can see what's wrong with your website. So this plugin is, I think, really lightweight, and of course, yeah, you can customize this plugin or the function of the plugin simply by telling ChatGPT what you want to have, what code or what function should be included in the plugin. And yeah, then yeah, I think ChatGPT will add this function, the specific function for you, and you can fully customize it. So of course, yeah, this is a basic SEO plugin that tells you the basic stuff, what's going on with your website. But I think, yeah, to get a quick overview of your website, so what's going on your website, I think this plugin is really good, really useful. You can see, and when you make the changes, then you can simply click on refresh. Now you can see it's refreshing. Maybe we have to reload the page, so let me reload this. Yeah, then the refresh is there, or the refresh is done, the rescan is done of the specific page, and then you can see if everything is okay or not. And I think this is really cool. So then you can almost, yeah, build everything with ChatGPT, play around with this. You don't need to have the premium ChatGPT version. You can use the free version of ChatGPT with the model GPT. And the version, for example, 4.0 is capable of providing any kind of code. And yeah, you can simply play around with this and yeah, have fun with it, play around with it. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I will try to answer all your questions as soon as I can. And if you want to have this plugin, I will upload this plugin on my Patreon page. So then simply go to my Patreon page, and there you can download this plugin. If you want to have the zip file, you can download this file, install it, and yeah, check your website. So yeah, that's it for the video. I think if you learned something new, if you found the video informative, then please press the thumbs up button, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also support me on Patreon. And yeah, that's it for the video. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.